what is lean logistics and how can it streamline warehouse operations? Lean logistics is a management philosophy and methodology aimed at maximizing efficiency, minimizing waste, and optimizing operations within the logistics and supply chain context. It draws inspiration from the principles of lean manufacturing, which originated in the Toyota production system, and applies them to logistics processes to eliminate inefficiencies, improve productivity, and enhance customer value. Key principles of lean logistics include value stream mapping. Identifying and analyzing the entire value stream or flow of materials, information, and activities involved in delivering products or services to customers. Value stream mapping helps visualize process flows, identify bottlenecks, and eliminate non-value-added activities to streamline operations. Continuous improvement, Kaizen. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement to systematically identify and eliminate waste, improve processes, and drive incremental enhancements in efficiency and effectiveness. Kaizen involves empowering employees at all levels to suggest improvements, experiment with new ideas, and pursue excellence in their work. Just-in-time, JIT, inventory. Adopting just-in-time inventory practices to minimize inventory holding costs, reduce waste, and improve responsiveness to customer demand. JIT aims to produce and deliver goods or services in the right quantity, at the right time, and in the right place, thereby eliminating excess inventory and associated costs. Pull-based systems. Implementing pull-based systems such as Kanban to establish a demand-driven approach to production and inventory management. Visual management. Implementing visual management techniques such as visual controls, signage, and indicators to enhance transparency, communication, and problem-solving in the workplace. Visual management makes it easier to identify abnormalities, monitor performance, and maintain focus on key priorities. How lean logistics streamlines warehouse operations. Reduced lead times. By eliminating waste and optimizing processes, lean logistics helps reduce lead times for receiving, processing, and shipping goods, allowing warehouses to operate more efficiently and respond faster to customer demands. Increased productivity. Lean principles such as standardized work, visual management, and continuous improvement empower warehouse staff to work more effectively, minimizing downtime, reducing errors, and increasing overall productivity. Improved inventory management. Lean logistics promotes JIT inventory practices, enabling warehouses to maintain optimal inventory levels, reduce carrying costs, and minimize the risk of overstocking or stockouts. This results in better inventory accuracy and turnover rates. Enhanced space utilization. Value stream mapping and process optimization help warehouses utilize space more efficiently, minimizing wasted space and maximizing storage capacity. This allows warehouses to handle larger volumes of goods within existing infrastructure. Cost reduction. By eliminating waste, improving productivity, and optimizing resources, lean logistics helps reduce operating costs associated with warehouse operations, including labor, inventory, and overhead expenses. Enhanced quality and customer satisfaction. Lean logistics emphasizes quality control, standardized processes, and continuous improvement, resulting in higher quality products and services. This leads to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, as customers receive their orders accurately, on time, and in good condition. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy optimizing.